I know you think I won't amount to anything. You keep reminding me I never have the means to buy you fancy clothes and treat you like I said someday I would. So don't you come praying, baby. Don't let me hear you come praying, baby. You're riding on a lollipop train. You never hurry so good. Go on, strip away the memories of nighttime fun. I never hustle with you like most guys have done. And you know I've questioned you about where you go and all the things you do. So don't you come praying, baby. Don't let me hear you come praying, baby. You're riding on a lollipop train. You never had it so good. Oh, but then roll it that you seek. You can never lie and pretend to be what you're not to see. Will only bring you crying. Better roll it over in your mind carefully before you say that you can do far better than me. Look at the queen in rugged gown, the might and true be just her, a climb to hold. So don't you come praying, baby. Don't let me hear you come praying, baby. You're riding on a lollipop train. You never had it so good. You never had it so good. You never had it so good.